All right, welcome to how to make a stencil. The lessons I've been doing with you guys have been kind of focusing on how to use stuff at home. So here I have my trash bin again, and I'm going to basically use kind of unwanted paper and stuff just to make a quick, easy stencil for yourself at home, which is a really cool artist tool. So the thicker the paper you can find, the better. I found this in the trash, so this is like nice envelope paper. So I'm just gonna cut into this. Okay. Oops. Okay, and basically the only tool that you do need is, you do need a pair of scissors, okay? So I'm going to use this piece right here. And the way that I like to make a stencil is pretty much how I used to make a snowflake when I was a kid. So I'd take my piece of paper and I'd fold it once and then fold it over again. I think that was a hamburger fold. So let's see, the first one was hamburger, and then we did hamburger again. Okay. And then I probably like to do it a third time. Like that. Okay. And then what's cool is I'm going to cut little shapes into the different folds. So I have different folds here of the paper, and then I have this big fold right here. And I could cut different shapes into it. So I'm just going to do some simple shapes, like some diamond. What's going to look like a triangle when I cut it out. When you actually open it up, you'll see it turns into a diamond. And actually, again, so already you can start to see a stencil happening. Okay, so I'm going to fold this back up again. Okay, and I could do any kinds of cuts I want along the different folds here and along here. So I'm just going to continue with this like kind of triangle cut that I'm doing. You know what I will do is I will do one heart cut. Okay, so I'm cutting into this knowing I want to make a heart, so it's like I have to cut like half a heart. So let me show you. Like I would draw half a heart right there, and then go ahead and cut it out. Oops. There we go. And I opened it up. You can see it created a heart. And then just whatever other cuts I want to make. I'm going to do like some long skinny lines or something. I could do that. So cut them out. Oops, there we go. Okay, if I want, I can create more folds right here. Okay, so I fold it into that piece of paper again. If I want, I can come in and do, checking out where my cuts are, and make more cuts depending on what I want. Oops. Oh no, I tore it. That's okay. Just tore like one side of the paper. If I wanted to make another fold here, okay, I could do more cuts, better cuts this time. Okay. Woo! There you go. Oh, all right, and then what I'm left with is like a little snowflake or stencil, okay? And I can make this as intricate or not intricate as I want, but what's cool is I now have a stencil, so I can do with this. And I'm just going to recommend that you use paper or colored pencil, crayons or colored pencil for doing this next part. I tried markers and markers didn't work very well. Just go ahead and put that over another piece of paper, and then you can stencil along kind of color over it. And then kind of have that. So, which is cool. Just a quick little stencil. I made another one yesterday. Okay. So you can see, and you have to kind of like color nicely over this because it wants to bend a little bit, but it still is kind of cool to make your own stencil. I'm not assuming that you guys have tape or glue or anything like that, but ideally we would fortify this with a little bit of tape and then cut through again. But I'm not going to assume that you have that, and I don't want anybody going out and sending their parents out to get groceries or tape or something like that. I want you guys to stay healthy. So you just make a stencil just with paper, trash, and a pair of scissors. So I hope you like that.